Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the issue that is happening to USB drives. Okay, so as you can see, I just installed my pen drive and you can see here it is not detecting. The storage space is not coming up, and when I was trying to open this, it will tell the format. Okay, we can try to format it. Will solve the issue. Formatting completed, but unfortunately the issue is not resolved. Okay, so it's actually what happened is the disk space is got removed, so we have to create the disk space again. So for that one I will show you by simply how to solve this issue. Press Windows R and open the run command. Type the disk mgmt.msc. okay, press enter. So it will open up our disk management. As you can see here, disk 1 removable unallocated. So this is what happened actually. So just click it and create new simple volume. Press next, whatever, next, finish. So it's the new storage space is allocated now for the pen drive. So once it is done, yeah, see, the pen drive is now detected, the spaces came up. That's it guys, it's so simple to solve this issue and hope you understand. See you guys soon.